Why does the significance of cloud certifications continue to skyrocket in today's IT industry? How vital are these certifications to those seeking to broaden their IT horizons? Today, Aware Nari delves into 3 noteworthy cloud certifications, namely the Certified Kubernetes Administrator or CKA, the Certified Cloud Security Professional or CCSP, and lastly the Cisco Certified Network Associate Cloud, otherwise known as CCNA Cloud. The Certified Kubernetes Administrator, endorsed by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, is a beacon for job positions such as Kubernetes Administrator, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Infrastructure Engineer. This certification not only validates skills in deploying, maintaining, and troubleshooting applications on Kubernetes clusters, but it also emphasizes the management of containerized applications and orchestrating container deployments. In terms of the salary range, Kubernetes administrators can expect to earn an average yearly salary of around $120,000. In contrast, the Certified Cloud Security Professional is a stamp of approval from the International Information System Security Certification Consortium, more commonly known as ISC. This certification is a sought-after qualification for roles such as Cloud Security Engineer, Security Consultant, and Information Security Analyst. It focuses on cloud security principles and practices, and showcases competence in designing, managing, and securing data, applications, and infrastructure in the cloud. A cloud security engineer with this certification can anticipate an average salary of approximately $115,000 per year. Lastly, the Cisco Certified Network Associate Cloud Certification, brought to you by Cisco, is a ticket to positions like Cloud Network Engineer, Network Administrator, and Cloud Support Engineer. This certification covers a range of cloud networking topics, including Cisco's cloud solutions. It validates skills in implementing and maintaining cloud networking infrastructure. Professionals with this certification can earn an average of $80,000 per year. So, in summary, the Certified Kubernetes Administrator highlights the deployment, maintenance, and troubleshooting of applications on Kubernetes clusters, while the Certified Cloud Security Professional showcases competency in cloud security principles and practices. The Cisco Certified Network Associate Cloud, on the other hand, validates skills in implementing and maintaining cloud networking infrastructure. Each certification has its unique value proposition and caters to a different niche within the cloud computing industry. These certifications are not just badges of honor, but they are proof of proficiency in specific areas of the cloud computing industry. They could be the stepping stones towards promising IT careers with competitive remuneration. So, if you're looking to enhance your IT career, consider obtaining one of these certifications. They could be your key to unlocking a world of opportunities in the IT industry.